Hello friends, this question may seem difficult, but it is not at all. Let's solve it in seconds. The step number 1, we have to check that the both sides after decimal are both sides after decimal and make the digits equal. We have to make the digits equal. There are 4 digits and there are 2 digits. So firstly we have to make the digits equal, and then step number 2, since the left hand side this left hand side since the left hand side has 2 digits, so we will add 2 zeros. We will add 2 zeros, and so we will add 2 zeros to make the digits same, because there are 4 digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, and over here there are 4 digits: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 digits. Then we will take the last two: 7 and 500. These 500 was so we will step number 3 is, now we will subtract 7 from 500. We will subtract 7 from 500, means 500 minus 7 will give you 493. Will give you 493, and 2 will be written as it is, 0.1. This is our final answer after 493. So the final answer can be written 1.249 and 3. This is our final answer. So if you want more question for practice, so you can get below: 0.124 minus 0.0008. This is the question for your practice, to make you expert in the subtracting decimal values. So you can get this question answer in comments. Don't wait, hurry up.